Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna talk about Prime Day. It is almost here. Tomorrow is Prime. I will be purchasing a lot of things myself. I went through the whole crazy Prime Day list that they send to influencers, and in advance I can kind of, curate and share with you guys what is the best for Prime. So this is kind of a mix of things that I use, love, trust, have on hand. And I'm not even in my actual studio. You guys, I feel like a real housewife right now with this setup. What do we think? Do we like it? I don't know. I'm starting to miss Texas. I'm not at home. I don't have all of my favorites, but I do have the beloved favorites that I traveled with. Now, I also have things that I found on that list that are gonna be like 75% off, 50% off that I will personally be ordering. So here is my game plan. I am gonna load my storefront with a section that says Prime Day, and you guys, if you're nosy, you can go there and you can look at all of the stuff that I will personally be ordering. If you guys wanna take part in the deals, make sure you add to your cart now and check out tomorrow or the next day. The deals will not be happening today. This is just your, hey, Amazon Prime Day is coming video that I like to do and that you guys seem to really enjoy. So let's hop in. You can tell I'm in LA because there are sirens. Like, I don't know that there has been one video that I have filmed in Texas where there's like police sirens like blaring in the background. What's going on? We're gonna put an image up on screen. This is one of the coolest looking balms and it is beautiful on the lips. It has this interesting stripe down the center. This is from Illamasqua. It is discounted down to $8. That is like a 69% off discount. It's pretty deep. I don't know if Illamasqua is going to be staying on Amazon. I'm not sure, but it is a real high performance, luxurious brand. I've talked about their eyeshadow palettes, their highlighters. I used to use their blush and lip products back in the day. They used to be sold here in the States in Sephora. It is just a really solid brand that not a lot of people talk about, but the way their makeup wears and blends and the colors, oh my gosh, beautiful. So what you can find on sale from Illamasqua, I would say go ahead, try. I'm also going to be getting their bronzer. This has a beautiful striping of almost this turquoise blue down the center. It seems like maybe this is a good idea, maybe this is a horrible idea, but we will find out together. I will be testing a lot of these products in an upcoming video, just maybe like a Q&A chit chat. So I am excited to get a bunch of Illamasqua. I saw that as one of the highest discounted makeup items on the platform for Prime. We're talking 75% off of quite a few products. They have a primer that's really beautiful, some foundations that I'm gonna be grabbing. I'm excited to give a few newer items that I haven't experienced a go with that deep Prime Day discount. You guys, my nighttime mask, I have two. One that I use on the regular and the other one is now in a different tube. I had the pump before. This is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. I don't know that you're supposed to use both of these together, but I do. I kind of go with a more is more approach when my skin is really dehydrated, and being here in California, traveling, or just the weather, I don't know what the deal is. My skin is kind of just like been really dehydrated, but I bet you wouldn't know. It actually looks like it has a nice bounce to it, a decent amount of glow, and it's because I have a very specific nighttime finisher part of my routine. We're gonna talk about these items because everything from Medicube is 20 to 35% off. I wanna share with you my favorites. A lot of you guys send me messages and you're like, do you still use the device? Yes, I do. We're gonna talk about her as well because she is on sale for Prime. I'll link the video where I go into deep detail on how to use this device, like every single mode. This is the HR Booster Pro. This will give you glass skin. This is your glass and glow device. Just like if you want to glow, if you want to have glass skin, this is where it's at because it has a mode to really penetrate all of your skincare, whatever you choose to use, all of your skincare deeper into the skin. I'm addicted to this thing. I feel like it's useful for skin prep in the AM. It is great for your evening routine when you really want to get everything deeply penetrated into the skin. And that is why I end up using both of these when my skin is a little more dehydrated. So first, let's go into the collagen jelly cream. Now, I do have a relationship with Medicube. I do want to share that. I've done many videos with them throughout the past few years. I love their at-home technology, and I also really love their skincare. You guys know I'm a skincare junkie. I try so much. Their products always tend to have this like extra special something, which I really do love. This one is like the texture of like a jello pudding texture. It literally is so thick, it is not gonna come out of the tub. I always get worried when I do this. I show people like in real life too, I'm like, check it out. Look at this. So good, right? Is that not satisfying? It feels so delicious on the skin. This is for every single skin type, by the way. Oily skin can use it, combo skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. Every skin type can benefit from this jelly cream. It just feels so nice. All right, so I kind of go in thick and then I press it in with my HR Booster Pro. I use the booster mode. At this stage of the game with Medicube, I crank
level 3, level 4, level 5.
Up to level 5. You guys, I do not hold back anymore. I've been using this for so long. It feels really nice on the face. You feel like you're getting some kind of a high-tech facial when you use this. And really, you can pick a mode and just do 5 minutes and be done with it, and you're gonna see incredible results. You don't have to do every mode every night, but it is nice to have something like this on hand where you have like a microcurrent that you can do if you're feeling too puffy and you need to firm and lift the skin.
Dermashot mode.
You have
Level
Dermashot.
Air shot mode.
Air shot mode, which you don't want to use with any product. It's like micro needling with technology. It is really wild. You actually kind of feel it on the skin. It doesn't hurt, but it creates pathways for products to penetrate more deeply and is really helpful for keeping your pores clean and just the skin exfoliated. And it does so many great things. I love also that you don't have to pack 5 different devices. So this has your LED light technology in here. The red light is great for the health of your skin. Blue light can help with bacteria, but it has a bunch of different lights and you can change it with the app because this hooks into an app. You can even track your skincare results with the app, which I think is so great. You can keep track of the different modes that you're using so you're not overdoing any which one. It's just such a well thought through piece of technology and I love this. I don't have a code right now. I get so many of you guys messaging me like, hey, are you gonna bring back your code? Can I get another code? So I don't have an affiliate code available for you guys, but during Prime, everything from Medicube, whether it's a device or any of the skincare, is gonna be 20 to 35% off. Now, what I do on top of the jelly cream is the wrapping mask. Now, I have put this in like a best of skincare video in the past. It had different packaging, it had a pump. This is weird, but like in a really satisfying way. You let everything sink into your skin. So what I would do is I would use the jelly cream. I'd let everything sink into my skin. Then right before bed, I pop this on. Now this literally is like going to bed with an actual mask on the face. In the morning, you wake up and it almost like peels off. It's very satisfying and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't pull like your typical like old school peel off masks. It's not like that where it's like pulling your hair off when you kind of like peel it off in the morning. And you don't have to peel it off. You can just go to the sink and rinse it off. But I'm the weirdo that is like, oh, that feels weird. And like I like to kind of ball it off the skin. Your skin underneath feels like baby soft. Oh my gosh, there's more helicopters. This one has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, glycerin, and collagen. This is going to address fine lines, dehydration, saggy skin, but really any skin type can use this. There's no fragrance in it, nothing to irritate the skin. I think it is such a winning product, not talked about enough because of what it does to kind of hold all of the other products that you've put on your face in overnight. So you truly are getting beauty sleep. You wake up and rinse the face or kind of gently peel it off and your skin truly is that glass skin, moisturized, bouncy, youthful skin situation. This one is one of my favorites. It's not crazy expensive either. Use the discount, grab it, whether you're into the rest of everything or not. Like this is one of my favorites because of how unique the formula is and just what it does in one night. One night is all you need to see that difference. Truly a phenomenal product. Now, if you want to go into something like a pore pad, this is something newer that I've been into because I've noticed around my nose that I'm getting clogged pores. So I like to use a pore pad on those areas that are getting a little bit more clogged. This one is fantastic. This is the Pore Pad 2.0. They have different pads. They give you little tongs with it. Ask me if I use them, I really don't. So this has lactic acid and BHA salicylic acid. You get 70 pads in here. So this is gonna last you a little more than a month, and you can target whatever area is an issue for you. This is safe for all skin types. I think it's done a really good job helping me with clogged pores on my nose. And then somehow right in here, like right in between my eyebrows, I get clogged, basically my T-zone and sometimes on the chin, because my skin has decided to be such a pain and give me clogged pores and signs of aging simultaneously. Really, really fun. I have to find the right products that don't totally overstrip my skin. So I'm really particular when it comes to finding the right products that target whatever situation I'm going through. And these are fantastic. This is a newer product to the Medicube family. This is exciting. This is an Exosome serum. You don't want to use this every night. You're going to use this every 3 nights right after you cleanse. So you're gonna cleanse, dry the skin, and then put this on. This is not something that you're gonna use in the morning and night and every night. Like, this is a special treatment. This is a lacto exosome. It has AHA, BHA, and PHA. Honestly, you guys, this is the craziest skincare ever. It's like microneedling your skin through a serum. We are officially on another planet. We are so in the future. We do not even need to go to the spa. Like, this is insane to me. This has patented exosomes that are going to tighten enlarged pores. This area on me that I always put my pore filling primer on, this is my area that I'm treating and I am loving. This is wild. This is really effective skincare. It's not so aggressive that you're gonna have like a big irritation issue. It is phenomenal where technology is that you can have microsphere encapsulated micro needles that are really getting in and doing some wild things beneath the surface of your skin, helping to reduce the look of enlarged pores. This is the one. If you're like, I've tried so many different skincare items out there and like, I feel like I've seen it all. You have not seen this. This is something special. Get it while you can during Prime. I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's so good. Okay, you guys, we're gonna talk a little hair care. I am rocking like day 3 hair. I did not do much to my hair, but I'm loving the whole beach wave thing so much. I'm also re-obsessed with Oribe. Oribe will cost you an arm and a leg. It literally is so expensive. When I look at the price that is on this itty bitty teeny tiny travel guy right here of the texture spray, $26 for this. I got this on the go before I was traveling because I was desperate. And now it's almost empty. This is for 2 ounces too, which is so ridiculous. $26 for 2 ounces of texturizing spray. They do have a patented technology within this texturizing spray that gets rid of oil at the root of the hair. So in my mind, I'm kind of like, well, it's kind of like an invisible dry shampoo and a texturizing spray. So that kind of makes sense. Like, I can kind of justify it, right? It just does something to make the hair look so dang good. You feel like a Victoria's Secret supermodel when you spray this in the hair and you just have like this big, just like voluminous, textured, gorgeous hair. The scent is amazing. Everything about it is so good. It's just really expensive. Okay, so Oribe has 2 kits. I'm ordering them. I haven't decided which one. It looks like you get 3 products in this kit. It is the Oribe Signature Style Set. It's normally $72, I know, but during Prime, it's 30% off. They do have a hair alchemy kit as well that's 30% off, but I don't think it's the big guys. I got to do the math on it. I also don't know if I should order things while I'm traveling that are like the big pumps, but the hair alchemy from Oribe is phenomenal if you have damaged your hair at all. And I recently went from the whole blonde highlights down to darker hair, and I still have some damage in the front. So I'm like, I kind of want to get something that's a little more nourishing for the hair. And for some reason, whenever I use Oribe shampoos and conditioners, my hair responds so well to it. And I am very, very tempted because they're on sale for Prime. So the kits are 30% off. The Hair Alchemy shampoo and conditioner, 20% off, but you can kind of pick your different sizes. They're super expensive. I know it's not for everyone. It's a total indulgence, but if I am just sharing with you guys what I have my eye on for Prime, that is it. CoverGirl has their Simply Ageless powder 75% off. I believe I got that right. It's like $7. You guys know I love CoverGirl powders, the Advanced Radiance. I love so, so much. And then also I found this really exciting. I'm gonna order 3 of them. Urban Decay has their liners 50% off. I have my eye on the green one that I used to use so much. It is called Overdrive. I'm so excited because I'm back into a little bigger like makeup with liner right now. I haven't had a good green metallic liner in a minute, and I'm excited to order a few from Urban Decay, half off of their liners. Their liners are iconic. I prefer the shade 0 to Perversion. I get that question a lot. Their black liners are super intense. 0 is matte. I'm gonna be ordering that one as well. And then I'm also gonna be ordering the shade Wild Side, which is a metallic copper. Okay, I have one last thing that I wanna share with you guys because they are my most worn shoe of the summer. I don't think these are on sale, but just in case they are, guys, I got another pair. I just got these in. I can't stop ordering these. They're the most comfortable, wide, just easy to put on, goes with everything flat, that everywhere I go. Like, I kid you not, I can be here in California in Beverly Hills and women are like, oh my gosh, I love your sandals. Like, where did you get those from? And I'm like, they're super inexpensive and from Amazon. I also have them in orange. So now you know, these are like my favorite sandals for summer. The Cape Robbin is like my favorite shoes from Amazon. So I thought I would just add that in the mix. And there we have it. That is kind of my on the fly things I'm ordering from Amazon on Prime tomorrow, and sharing with you guys just some things that I use in my everyday life that happen to be going on deep discount as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Thumbs it up, leave me those comments. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you being so chill, good, and supportive with me as I am still traveling. And I just appreciate it. So go have a good one. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.